They say it's a killer on the loose. I guess they looking for him. I don't know where he at. I don't know where he at.
Forward and Prince Street.
Get down. Did you hear that? That had to be a switch.
Searching front with shot fired.
I'm gonna say something that some people gonna like, some people not gonna like. But if I was the police in the hood, I'd be like, y'all need to give me a switch too. Shit.
Stop it. Get some help.
How am I supposed to fight this man? He got a fully automatic Glock on him. And I'm doing this right here. What you want me to do with that?